we often analyze how often they pick something over the head and in a bended position, and then we think about if we can restore the articles in the warehouse so that the A runner, so the goods which are sold the most, that they are in the ergonomic zone, so that they don't have to pick in an bended position anymore, or on a position where they have to go with their arms over the head. This is what we are focusing on, and also the distance which is traveled through the system, because in a lot of projects, you can imagine, definitely in picking processes like at Amazon, for example, they travel a distance about 20 kilometers a day. And this is, from an ergonomic point of view, not that good. On the other side, standing the whole day is also not good. And then you have to think about how, yeah, that's right. And then you have to think about if you can use job rotation, for example. And by this, you can reduce the strain for the employees, and you have a much more better process for them. And hopefully they will be much more healthier in the future.